This video is going to go over how to find court records in the state of Oklahoma. To get started, visit oklahomapublicrecords.com. You'll notice on the front page you have multiple public databases available in the state of Oklahoma. For this video, we're just going to be talking about court records, but there is quite a few databases that you might find useful for your research. So we have created a page specific to the most sought after records. So anything from background checks to criminal records. If you hover over other records, you'll find court records in here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this will show you the different courts, and there are different descriptions as to exactly the types of court records they cover. And it provides the links to the databases where you can access this information. Another thing to consider is the name search on top, and what this is it's both a public and a private database. So it gathers public records from not just the county or the state of Oklahoma. It goes outside the state. It looks at multiple states, multiple databases. So if somebody, let's say, has a criminal court record in somewhere, let's say in North Carolina or in Texas, and then they end up moving to Oklahoma, if you're just looking at local county or state, Oklahoma state resources, you're not necessarily going to pick that information up because people move, and the databases are not necessarily connected. And so what the private database does is it pulls all this information and combines it into a single search system. So it's pretty much instantaneous. They have additional tools available to you, some private databases that they also include, like cell phone numbers, potential emails, people that are associated with the individual, criminal, financial information. So there's quite a few different tools you can utilize. And obviously the records do generate at the county level. That's where they're going to be the most accurate, they're going to be the most refreshed, but do keep in mind that people do move around, and these databases are restricted to a specific county or a specific state, so they won't necessarily show you everything in the nation. So with that in mind, come down to oklahomapublicrecords.com and get started on your Oklahoma court records search.